Okay, today we are going to talk about a case that is a combined case and is a complex case that needs both prosthodontist and surgeon. In this case, we have a big cyst in the mandible, and the surgeon asked to have a complete denture that have an extension to let the cyst get smaller and then extract cyst. This process called marsupialization, and we are going to use the raw data that we have from CBCT to have exact position of the cyst and of course bone and nerve. So first of all, we are going to use the mimics that comes by Materialize. That's a powerful software for using the raw data from radiology. And after that, we are going to segment the bone. As you can see, we have the bone with the presets. Sometimes you need to check the presets and alter it a little bit, but most of the time it works. Then we are going to segment the cyst. Because the cyst have some attachments with the bone and with the tissues around, we can't use region grow. The region grow is a very powerful tool, and this tool let us to separate one tissue from another, from small particles or small patches. But when we have some attachments, and as you can see, we can't use this tool, we should first remove the small particles and then use the region grow to remove the unattached particles. Okay, we can see that we have a good contour for bone and good contour for cyst, and we determined both good, and I'm happy with this two part. The last part is important, that is not the least, is the nerve, because when we are going to make a prosthesis, it's so important not to hurt the nerve. And in case that we traumatize the nerve, we have paresthesia, and it's not a good idea to traumatize the nerve. So the third part that we are going to segment is the nerve, and we can use the thin parts and mimics to separate this part. And finally, we should recheck everything. As you can see, the cyst is so big, and in case that we remove it before marsupialization, the mandible will be fragile. So